Hi everybody, welcome to Live with Chaudhry here at Manufacturing Chemist live in Birmingham. It's day one and I'm delighted to join my good friends from Colorcons, Dr. Ali
Rajabi-Siahboomi.
I was practicing that before we started, but I've still got it right. Anyway, Ali, how are you, my friend?
I'm very well, thank you very much, and I'm very happy to be able to come to and attend the conference in
great.
person.
Well, yeah, and it's lovely to see you in person actually after such a long time. Now, the reason we're having this catch up in between the presentations right now is because you're speaking this afternoon. So what are you actually talking about this afternoon?
Today I'm going to talk about authentication technology and what we have done in this area for fighting counterfeit medicine and fake medicine that are existing in the market. But at the same time, we want to extend the technology to make the patients more engaged with their medication. In a way, making a smart medicine, more digitized medicine as much as we can.
Right, now without going through your whole presentation, can you sort of give me a quick summary of the technology you've got then to, sort of detect counterfeit?
Absolutely.
And also, and it may sound not an obvious point, but why is it so important to actually detect counterfeit medicine?
Well, at the moment there is a lot of fake medicine in the market because of the online pharmacies that are opened up during the pandemic. And these are of course putting patients in danger, putting people's lives at risk. But at the same time, pharmaceutical industry is losing a lot of money because of these counterfeited medicines are available in the market. In terms of the technology itself, we are using a very simple technology, adding some taggants that we could add in the film coating and making the counterfeiting more difficult by having on those authentication technology. So we're putting some taggants on the film coating, could apply on the tablets or in prints. You could print on the dosage form, on the external packaging or on the vials of the ampules, and you could authenticate that it is the real medicine. At the same time, this technology could be extended and go all the way to the patient, where patients could authenticate at the same time getting some additional information related to their medication. Which is, I'm very excited about this because it's a new innovation coming from Colorcons. We've been working on this technology for the last 3 to 5 years. And we are ready to go to the market with this technology and make the world safer against the fake medicine.
That sounds really exciting. Well, look, I wish you lots of success with your presentation this afternoon.
Thank you.
I know you speak at a lot of events, so what is the next event that you will actually be presenting outside of Manufacturing Chemist?
Well, next presentation I plan to do is at the Control Release Society's conference, CRS, which is going to happen in Canada, in Montreal. So I'm looking forward to that. We have a workshop as well as a technology forum that I'll be presenting about oral solid dosage form and release modulation of drug release in technologies that are available.
Fantastic. Well, look, I say good luck. Now, if people do want to know more information about the technology that you've developed at Colorcons, where can they get more information?
First of all, you could go to our website. A lot of information is available there. Through our website, of course, you can talk to any of our Colorcons colleagues, your Colorcons colleagues, contacts that you have, and these technologies are widely available. But of course, this new authentication technology is brand new. So this is something that we need to have a conversation and understand the needs, the specific needs. And being sort of authentication, there is some secrecy about these. Not everybody would need to know. So there's some interesting element of this that it would be good to talk to a Colorcons colleague to get more information.
Fantastic. Look, Ali, I appreciate your time. And there you go, viewer. So if you would like to know more about this particular topic and the technology Colorcons have developed, then as Ali has mentioned, please contact your local Colorcons representative, as they would say, which will be available on the website. Or you can leave a comment below the video, actually, for Ali. I'm sure he'll be happy to see any comments that you've got about the technology, any questions you've got, and he'll be happy to respond to that. And he's on LinkedIn as well. So viewers, thank you very much for watching. Ali, as I said, it was lovely to see you. Have a great presentation and a safe journey home back to the US as well.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
CRS as well. And thank you viewers for watching. Until next time, stay well and stay safe. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.